Welcome to the Interactive Atlas. This demonstration will cover some standard features of histograms using the Atlas landing page for diabetes complications as an example. This histogram shows rates by SA3s. The larger the legend symbol, whether this be a circle, square, triangle, or a cross, the higher the number of events for an area. In this example, events refer to the number of hospitalizations for diabetes complications. The horizontal axis shows the age and sex standardized rate. SA3s with higher rates are located to the right of the graph. Areas with the lowest or highest SA3 rates are boxed in orange. Hover over any symbol to display the statistics for that area. This includes the number of events, standardized SA3, state and national rates, as well as any applicable warnings. To find a particular SA3, use the drop-down box at the bottom of the graph. This SA3 will be shown in blue. In absolute terms, Albany in WA did not have a large number of diabetes hospitalizations. The age and sex standardized rate was similar to the Australian rate, as shown by its position around the center of the histogram. To see what rates were like for the other SA3s in Western Australia, select WA from the state drop-down box. Once done, all other Western Australian areas will be marked in orange. And that covers some basic features of the histograms. For more information, please refer to How to Interpret Our Data Visualizations starting on page 33 of the 4th Australian Atlas of Healthcare Variation. Thank you.